The Cascade Range, a spine of towering peaks, capped with snow, draped in emerald forests. They stand as silent sentinels, a reminder of nature's raw power. From California's Mount Shasta to British Columbia's Mount Garibaldi, these peaks captivate adventurers and instill awe. The Cascades are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, a zone of intense volcanic activity. The serene beauty belies a sleeping giant, capable of reshaping the landscape. Among these volcanic titans, three stand out as icons of the Pacific Northwest: Mount St. Helens, Mount Rainier, and Mount Hood. Their names are etched in the history and folklore of the region, a testament to their enduring presence. Mount St. Helens, the youngest of the three, gained notoriety in 1980 with its catastrophic eruption. Once a picture-perfect cone, its northern flank collapsed, unleashing a devastating lateral blast. Today, the mountain bears the scars of that eruption, a constant reminder of nature's raw power. Mount Rainier, a towering giant cloaked in glaciers, looms over the Seattle metropolitan area. Its beauty is captivating, yet its proximity to such a densely populated region makes it one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the Cascades. The potential for lahars, or volcanic mudflows, poses a significant threat to surrounding communities. Mount Hood, a sentinel guarding the city of Portland, is a beloved recreational destination. Its slopes attract skiers, climbers, and hikers year-round. But beneath its picturesque exterior lies a volcano capable of powerful eruptions, as evidenced by its history of pyroclastic flows and lahars. The Cascade Volcanoes have a long and fiery history. Their past eruptions serve as stark reminders of their potential for destruction. Mount St. Helens's 1980 eruption, though catastrophic, was relatively small compared to some of its prehistoric outbursts. Mount Rainier, too, has a history of massive eruptions. Thousands of years ago, a colossal landslide from the volcano created the Osceola mudflow, which inundated a vast area, reaching all the way to Puget Sound. The potential for a repeat event weighs heavily on the minds of scientists and emergency planners. Mount Hood, though less prone to massive eruptions, has experienced numerous smaller events in recent geologic history. Pyroclastic flows, fast-moving avalanches of hot gas and volcanic debris have scorched its slopes, leaving behind a stark reminder of the volcano's potential for destruction. These past eruptions are not merely historical footnotes. They are valuable lessons, etched in rock and ash, reminding us of the ever-present danger posed by these sleeping giants. By studying these past events, scientists can better understand the behavior of the Cascade volcanoes and prepare for future eruptions. Section 4. The Unseen Dance: Subduction and the Birth of Volcanoes. The Cascade volcanoes owe their existence to a slow, relentless dance deep beneath the Earth's surface, the process of plate tectonics. The Juan de Fuca plate, a dense oceanic plate, grinds slowly beneath the North American plate, a process known as subduction. As the Juan de Fuca plate descends into the Earth's mantle, intense heat and pressure cause the rocks to melt, creating magma. This molten rock, less dense than the surrounding mantle, rises towards the surface, creating magma chambers beneath the Cascade volcanoes. Over time, pressure builds within these chambers, eventually exceeding the strength of the overlying rocks, leading to an eruption. The subduction zone off the coast of the Pacific Northwest is a zone of intense geological activity. Earthquakes are common, a constant reminder of the immense forces at work beneath the surface. These earthquakes, while potentially destructive, also provide valuable data for scientists studying the subduction zone and the behavior of the Cascade volcanoes. Section 5. Listening to the mountain's heartbeat: monitoring volcanic activity. Scientists utilize a variety of sophisticated tools and techniques to monitor the Cascade volcanoes, listening for any signs of unrest. Seismometers, sensitive instruments that detect ground vibrations, are deployed on the flanks of the volcanoes, recording even the slightest tremors. GPS receivers, positioned on the volcano's slopes, track ground deformation, detecting any subtle swelling or uplift that may indicate the movement of magma beneath the surface. Gas monitoring stations measure the composition and volume of gases released from volcanic vents, providing clues about changes in magma chemistry and pressure. Thermal imaging cameras detect changes in surface temperature, while aerial surveys using LiDAR, a laser-based imaging technology, create detailed topographic maps, revealing any signs of ground deformation. By combining data from these various monitoring techniques, scientists can create a comprehensive picture of the volcano's internal plumbing and activity levels. Section 6. Living in the shadow of giants. Preparedness as a way of life. For communities nestled in the shadows of the Cascade Volcanoes, preparedness is not merely a suggestion, it's a way of life. The threat of volcanic hazards, though not always at the forefront of daily life, is a constant presence, a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being ready. Evacuation routes are clearly marked, and emergency drills are a regular occurrence, ensuring that residents know what to do in the event of an eruption. Public awareness campaigns educate the public about volcanic hazards and the importance of heeding warnings from authorities. Schools incorporate volcano education into their curricula, teaching children about the science of volcanoes and the importance of being prepared. Local businesses develop emergency plans, ensuring the continuity of essential services in the event of a disaster. Section 7. An enduring legacy. The importance of vigilance. The Cascade Volcanoes are a powerful reminder of the dynamic forces that shape our planet. Their beauty is captivating, yet their potential for destruction is undeniable. As we marvel at their majesty, we must also respect their power and the importance of vigilance. Continued monitoring, research, and public education are essential for minimizing the risks posed by these sleeping giants. By understanding the processes that drive volcanic activity, by listening to the mountain's heartbeat, we can better prepare for future eruptions and safeguard the communities that call the shadow of these majestic peaks home. The legacy of the Cascade Volcanoes is a complex tapestry of beauty, danger, and the enduring spirit of human resilience. It is a testament to the power of nature and the importance of our ongoing efforts to understand and coexist with the forces that shape our world.